Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first, open up Instagram and let's move on to the page of the user who may have blocked me on Instagram, and I need to check if that's really is. So all I have to do on that page is open up some post of that user, just tap at the post and then just underneath the post you can easily find that comment icon. You can tap on that, and on that step just leave a comment to that post. So you can type here whatever you want, let it be just hello, then hit on post. I have just commented that post from my main account, and now in order to check if that user blocked me, I have to switch account to my another account. So I can right here tap at profile picture, then hit at the username, and in that way simply change it to my another account, and then I have to find that specific user from my another account. So I'll tap at magnifying glass icon, hit on search. Now I can enter that user's username in that way. Now I can open up their page, and now all I have to do is open up the same post and open up their comments. Right here, as you can see, I see the comment that I have left before from my main page, and that definitely means that this user doesn't block me on Instagram. If you can't find your comment from your main page, it basically means that user have really blocked you on Instagram, and that's the easiest way how you can check that. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.